Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about AMP crypto. I'm going to show you the recent dump in the market for this particular cryptocurrency, with the question being asked: are the buyers trapped? Do it look like the market buyers for AMP crypto, are they trapped? Do you think the market's going to continue to go lower? Well, welcome to my channel. This is what I do. I do price breakdown according to the charts. I look at the emotions of these price bars and volume to try to get a gist as to where price wants to go, so that we can anticipate market direction and potentially profit from the move. So if you guys want to join me, make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe for more of my content. Now check this out. This current price prediction for AMP was produced on the 5th of February. Here it is 6 days later. Market currently is still trending within the profit area. You can also tell that the market buyers are currently still holding this pocket of buying, which is great. I mean, it gives us even more evidence that the buyers are still located here, willing to buy the crypto. Now the question is, will they continue to do that? Because if so, then now will be a great opportunity for us to come and bag some profit, especially if we think the price in AMP is going to continue to go up. So let's see what that would be if you were to take this off the market right now for AMP. So that would be around 9%, 8.25% profit right there. Okay, now let's take a look at this though, because overall the trend is still intact. Now, the trend hasn't been broken from this market move to the downside in AMP. So currently, I mean, from a general sense, you will want to continue to stay focused on the trend. Trend hasn't been broken, so the idea is that price is still weak. Now let's look at AMP on the 2. So here's AMP crypto on the 2-day time frame. And again, the market currently is holding pretty firm right here in this current buy pocket. Look at AMP on the 3. We have 12 hours and 14 minutes left, and currently off this current 3-day bar, the market still looks pretty weak. Yeah, we're currently seeing the market close off of the highs, which tells us that sellers are still impacting the price action. They're still impacting price movement. Okay, here it is on the 4. Take a look at AMP on the 5. AMP on the weekly chart. The last completed weekly price bar in AMP, you guys can see it literally was a wash between the buyers and the sellers. The market was able to go up, it was able to go down, and then at the end of the week, it closed pretty much where we opened. So it was kind of like a wash. So this current weekly price bar is going to give us more information as to who really wanted the price action more. So we need to pay attention to the price action this week in AMP for us to get that directional bias. Here it is on the 2. AMP on the 2 weekly chart, I'm no fan of if I was a buyer, because this last 2 weekly price bar definitely tells that the market is weak. Here it is on the 3. AMP on the 5. This is the 5 weekly price bar right here that just finished printing, and the market still is pretty weak. I will just have to continue to give a slight edge to the sellers. Okay, that's pretty much where I'm at right now. We will have to give more of this control of price to the sellers right now. Even when I look at this on the 330, I'm still seeing a lot of sell bars being created that is impacting the market buyers. It's crazy though, because I do see buyers willing to absorb all of this selling. So yeah, we might see a small move to the upside. I'm not going to put that out of elimination. That is definitely something that can happen. Here it is on the 5-hour chart as well. Okay, which is why I told you earlier in the video, it's not a bad thing to come in and take some of that profit at 8.25%, because this market definitely looked like it wants to attempt at least to try to come up to the upside. All right, so we can potentially add a sell pocket right here in AMP. That would be a sell pocket right there. So all in all, I'm not going to change the price prediction in AMP right now. I still think there's a slight, just a little bit of edge for the sellers right now. Okay, so I'm just going to leave this alone. I'm done. You guys can go ahead and give me your thoughts, your projections, your predictions as to where you think AMP is going to go. Now make sure you maintain the profit, and I will see you guys on the next one.